Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this look inspired by Nesta's Dread Trove Mask in A Court of Silver Flames from the A Court of Thorns and Roses series. To start this look, I'm using brown face paint to sketch out the lines of the mask, and here I'm starting with the hollow areas around the eyes. Trying to copy the mask as best as possible from the front cover. Now I'm starting with the swirl design above the eyebrows, trying to make both sides as even as possible. Now I'm kind of making the circular swirl design on the outer corners. For the design of this look, I went off the kind of reference of the front cover of Silver Flames, but that mask also sort of has a headpiece, so I had to kind of shrink things down to fit all of the important parts onto the face. Here I'm using the lid of one of my makeup items so I can have a circle, and then I made a smaller one as well on the inside. And then I started the sun rays coming out from the inner circle and extending outside of the larger one. I really liked the sun portion of this mask, so I really wanted to incorporate it in this look. Then I sketched in the larger circle. Then I added some more of the elements of the mask. This portion is kind of like either a feather or a shell-like area, and then there's a few more swirls on the side. Then there were a few like little flare areas on the outside, so I wanted to incorporate some of those as well. Then I moved on to the nose portion, making a sort of triangular piece in the front. Then adding the cheek portion, which kind of has these larger swirls. Then to make this look a bit more realistic and like the mask is sitting on my face, I added in some shadows using gray eyeshadow. And putting it around the rim on the top and bottom. Then to deepen the shadows, I'm using black face paint to tight line around the outside. Then before filling in the color of the mask, I'm going around the outside, adding shadows to the entire mask. Then I start filling in with color. I'm kind of put down a base of yellow, then adding a bit of orangey yellow, then brown, to kind of add some dimension and to kind of make it look like parts of it are shinier than other parts. Then adding highlights with white to some sections to make it look like that is the shiniest highlighted part. Pretty much putting down a layer of yellow in each section and then adding some highlight and shadows. Now I'm filling in the background of the sun. I first fill that in with yellow and then add some brown, but later on I'd make it more of an orange color and then add some more brown to the shadows. And filling in the sun section with a lighter yellow. And I kind of just repeat this process all over the mask, putting down a layer of yellow, then adding highlights and shadows. And that completes our Nesta Acheron Dread Trove Mask makeup look. I really love the A Court of Thorns and Roses series, and I've been wanting to do this mask for a really long time. Nesta is one of my favorite characters, so I was really excited to be able to do this look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.